Welcome to the role of legal deposit in preserving national heritage. ISBN 978 976 9747166. I am your host, Dr. William Anderson Gittins, a renowned Barbadian author, Doctor of Divinity, licensed cultural practitioner, media arts specialist, photojournalist, and podcaster. As a Doctor of Divinity, I am using my author's lenses to shape my work and lead you, the reader, through a particular theoretical framework for literary analysis and interpretation. Critical thinking regarding the role of legal deposit in preserving national heritage, ISBN 978 976 9747166, is prompted by these lenses. Legislative mandates that people or organizations deposit copies of their publications with national libraries, which act as main repositories, are known as legal deposits. This practice is vital for the systematic gathering and conservation of a nation's published heritage, encompassing both physical and digital formats. Within a historical context, legal deposit laws have roots dating back to the mid-19th century with the Pedro II Law of 1847 serving as a foundational example. Various countries, including France and Germany, have established their own legal deposit systems to safeguard their cultural and intellectual resources. For example, Australia's National Archives housed 2.4 million books in 2018, increasing to 2.7 million today. This view is supported by en.wikipedia.org. Cultural significance regarding legal deposits serves as a mechanism for protecting a nation's cultural treasures and intellectual property, thereby contributing to the preservation of its heritage. This view is supported by unesco.org/arc. In addition, by ensuring that all published works are archived, legal deposits promotes information freedom and enhances public access to cultural history. In times of crisis, cultural organizations play a crucial role in managing and enhancing public cultural legacies. This view is supported by link.springer.com. Global countries have adopted diverse legal deposits practices tailored to their specific needs. This view is supported by ifla.org. WP-Content Uploads 2019-05. For example, the Bibliothèque Nationale de France acts as a central repository for French publications, while New Zealand established its legal deposit system in 1903. Organizations like UNESCO and IFLA advocate for the essential work of libraries in preserving national history, emphasizing the need for access to documented cultural information according to wikipedia.org. It should be noted that in the scheme of things, challenges of globalization, the preservation of cultural heritage faces significant challenges in an increasingly globalized world. This view is supported by www.researchgate.net publication. The text highlights the importance of maintaining cultural diversity and warns against the pitfalls of monoculture. Institutions such as UNESCO aim to preserve cultural assets amid these challenges, ensuring that cultural transformation does not erode a society's unique heritage. Important details and evidence from my perspective as a renowned Barbadian author. I have been involved in legal deposits in Barbados since 1995, depositing 356 e-publications, physical copies, and 200 podcasts. The more that I navigated this area, I have discovered that legal deposit laws vary by country and depend on the type of publication, print or digital. This historical context of legal deposit laws reveals their evolution and adaptation in response to changing cultural and technological landscapes. In conclusion, Barbados Order 1992, Act 301A, Section 4 required publishers to deposit one copy of their publication, audiovisual, literary, musical, or song recorded work in Barbados within a month. As a result, my legal deposit was ultimately given to Mistress Marva Savory Smith, Librarian Reference at Barbados National Library Service Legal Deposit. At the end of the day, the legal deposit mandate for the preservation of national heritage in both digital and physical versions was the subject of this podcast. I examined the legal deposit requirement for conserving national history in both digital and physical forms, using my author's perspectives as a renowned Barbados author, Doctor of Divinity, certified cultural practitioner, and podcaster. This conversation is found in e-publication 357, podcast 201, The Role of Legal Deposit in Preserving National Heritage, ISBN 978-976-97-47166. As we continue this illuminating journey together, we sincerely value your participation through shares and reviews. I appreciate your help, and I hope you continue to grow and gain insight. May God bless you.